What's up guys, Nevin here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the Erdnase Color Change. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into the Erdnase Change. The Erdnase Change you can use for literally anything you want. It's a super versatile change and super visual. You can use it to make cards vanish, appear, disappear, which is vanishing. You can use it to change one card for another, the whole nine. So let's get into how you perform that, and I'm going to use a different colored card. Well, first let me show you what the Erdnase Change is. And I could do that with a different colored card. So you're going to come over, and just by waving your hand over the deck, you can change that card into another card. So the way this works is, and I want this second from the top so you can see it more clearly, it separates well, is your hand is going to come over just like this, and as it comes over, your pinky is going to come in contact with this card. And as you turn your hand over, if you were just to turn your hand over like this, nothing would happen. So what you're going to do is, as you're turning your hand over, you're also going to move it up, sliding this card up really well. Now other people will teach you and they'll tell you just to come over and do it like this. That doesn't look nearly as good as coming over like that and then jogging that card up. Next, what you're going to do after you've done this, right, this is the position you'll be in, is the pad of your hand is going to come over and just steal that second card out, just like so, which will allow you to come back over cover and make it look like the card has changed or vanished, whatever you're doing. So take your hand, come over, and then the pad of your hand is going to steal that card out. So let's see if I can illustrate that a tiny bit better. So here, from this angle, this is what's happening. And then you're going to square this card back in the deck, and you can just use your index finger to push that back in and make it look like the card has changed. So you're here, the pad of your hand is going to pull this card out, and then you're just going to wave over and make it look like it's changed. So it's a pretty simple move. There's not too much to it, but it's going to take a little practice to get it to look flawless. Use it to make cards vanish, like so. Come over and make things vanish or appear if you want to make the card reappear. You could even use it to switch cards. So like, let's say the 10 of diamonds on top and I want the Queen of Hearts on top. You can come over and just say, all right, let's take the top card, put it in the center, and then boom. So it's a pretty good way of switching a card as well. But overall, that is the Erdnase Change. There's really not too much to it. I really wish there was more to teach, but it's just pushing this forward, using the pad of your hand to pull back, and then just replacing that card on top and pushing the now second card in with your index finger. So that is the Erdnase Change. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment to let me know. And I'll see you in the next video.